There are so many ways that a cloud deployment can go spectacularly wrong. As far as we can tell, funnel up to two main points. One is security. We have a mission to make sure that the clients that we work with, the ones that we help develop software for on the cloud, do not end up in the news. In fact, if I never have to get a Google alert about a company that we work with, I will be happy. Now, it's not easy to get to that point by any means. You have to follow zero trust architectures. You have to have software bills of material. You have to design with security in mind. Many of the assumptions that we used to make about our on-prem data centers, we just can't make anymore with cloud deployments. So first, you have to build with security in mind. The second is that it is extremely difficult, and oftentimes the return on investment isn't there, to take software that was developed on-prem and lift and shift it wholesale, zero changes, up to the cloud. There's a lot of reasons for that. Honestly, the main reason, software that was developed on-prem was able to make certain assumptions about availability, about latency, about security, that when you take those assumptions and move them up to the cloud, those assumptions are no longer true. And you're running the software in an environment that it was not developed to be ran in, it was not architected to be ran in, it was not tested to be ran in. So it's a very risky maneuver going from on-prem directly to the cloud. What we usually recommend is sort of a graded or a sunsetting approach, where you build out pieces of functionality in the cloud and slowly migrate small portions of your application over there. It helps manage risk. It helps make sure that you're taking advantage of some of those cutting edge and leading edge features in the cloud. And it also makes sure that when you are deploying software, you're not having your end users be your guinea pigs, that you're able to test things, be able to move slowly and move very strategically. Because the cloud, it's new. A lot of CIOs are still getting used to it, but as long as you have proper risk management strategies and as long as you're taking security into account, it is an endeavor that can be done safely and effectively.